Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Pemko number 161AM, what they call a Thresho-Sill. That's the profile of it there. Now, the design concept of a Thresho-Sill is that it's doing the job of a threshold and the job of a sill. Okay, that's the idea in the concept behind this. It is really intended for the people that are in the manufacturing of wood doors and wood frames. And this hybrid sort of sill or threshold, they're intending to do the job of a threshold where you have the bottom of the frame assembly is here, and this little J-hook here is on the same plane as this rib and the back end here. But then the concept of this lip is doing the sill nosing or sill extension sort of job to that. And that's the concept of this. Very commonly in residential sort of applications where you have an entry door to a home, wood frame, you've got a sill, limestone sill, wood sill, whatever it might be. But a lot of the time you need to wrap that or finish it off, especially if it's a wood construction situation. And this item absolutely helps to solve that problem. Now again, what we're saying is all of this is on the same plane. This J-hook, it's all level. So this would sit onto the sill, but then this aspect here would come over and dress the front of it. There is an image below this video showing everything important dimensionally about this item. And if you scroll down, you'll see everything important dimensionally about it. But just to show you a couple of points here, as you can see, it's 7 3/4 wide per that drawing. Sorry, that is indeed the case. Okay, and an important dimension that I really can't hold the tape measure up and show you. It's from this portion here, where it would lie flat on your sill, down to the bottom of the nosing is 13/16 of an inch. Okay. So that's the 161 part. Now the A stands for the fact that this is in a mill aluminum finish, and Pemko has this available in several different finishes like dark bronze, satin nickel, bright dip gold, probably a painted white. So there's lots of colors that they make this available in. It is going to include what appear to be maybe a number 10 by 2.5 inch flathead wood screw, as you can see, in a complementary finish. Okay, available in several different lengths in the website as well. This item here is shown in a 3-foot length. Okay, if you have need for a custom length, by all means let us know by ordering the next longest piece or pieces and indicating in the comment field what length you'd like for us to cut the material back to. The reasoning is this is really deep. This might be difficult for you to cut without the proper tool. You'd need, a typical miter box saw probably wouldn't be big enough to cut this. Plus, you've got a countersink here, and if you had to cut it down to say 30 inch, you'd eliminate that countersink most likely. And the next one's all the way here in the middle. So if you order a custom length, we'll not only cut it to length, we'll locate that countersink in the proper distance from the edge and the proper center to center as well, reducing the amount of work overall that you'd have to do. Every little bit helps, I suppose. Pemko is a full-line manufacturer of all things residential weather stripping related. Not only a Thresho-Sill, something a little bit less common like this, but the typical items, the oak adjustable top thresholds, curved-in style weather stripping, typical sill nosings, but of course a full line of commercial weather stripping as well, material made of aluminum based material, stainless steel, architectural bronze, and a full complement of other items related to the door and hardware industry. If you have any questions on the Pemko 161AM Thresho-Sill or any other Pemko product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.